Alright, so the truck went into limp mode. Gave me a code of, let me see, p0404, exhaust gas recirculation control. Did a little research on the internet. Says it's the EGR, so I'm gonna be replacing that today. I already replaced this hose. This is a new hose right here. This is not required to replace. I just replaced mine since it was damaged. Mercedes. Put that in, but I'm gonna take this off today. Alright, so I've already disconnected the wiring harness here, moved it to the side, and then it uses 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then 1 below here. Some people think it's 4 because they think this one is, but to actually remove this out, you just remove these 3 here. It uses the E10 Torx. Oh, you can see that. But I'll go ahead and loosen these up. And I've already disconnected the battery, the negative, so that there's no power going through the van. And be careful, there will be coolant coming out of here when you disconnect this hose here. Talking to the camera. Oh, you got the coffee? Put these in the safe place. One. Maybe a little tricky getting this out. It may be stuck. There's a few tricks that I've learned watching some other YouTube videos, like David Zimoletta. He has a trick. You should follow his channel. His channel's all about sprinters. Learned a lot from that guy too. His trick was to stick like a tool in here. Let's see. This one. Alright, video pause. Be very careful when attempting this. The housing is made of aluminum, so you just want to be very careful trying to maneuver or do what I'm doing here. Let's see if I can even. Oh, mine wasn't that bad. I think it came off easy because I took it off before I wanted to clean it. So let's take a look. My van went in limp mode. It wouldn't go over 2,000 RPMs. It would drive really, really slow. No power at all. Boom. There it is. So, that doesn't look too bad. Seems to close fine. Doesn't look too bad at all, but they're saying the electrical units in here might be bad too. So, but look, closes just fine. Sometimes these get really, really dirty, and you have to clean them out. But I got a new one, so it wasn't too bad either. It's actually a remanufactured one from Mercedes. Cost me about $300, and the core is about $50. So I ended up paying $350, but if I bring the core back, I get my $50 back. So $300 for this. Here's the new one. Nice and clean. If you look closely, there's like a grease or lubricant that they put on there, so that's returned. Well, yeah, this is what I'm putting in, brand new. Got a new gasket as well, so I gotta take this off and clean this area up so the new one will sit nice and neat. Here's the part number if if you're curious for the gasket. Oops, upside down, there we go. Okay. And the part number for the EGR. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, I don't know if you can see that. Yep, that's it there. Like I said, I got lucky taking this out because I've seen a lot of people having trouble pulling this out because they get stuck, all the buildup inside. But cool. Here it is. Let's put the bolts back in. Now these bolts are they have torque specs on them, so I have it on my sheet of paper. Let me just put these in. I'll tell you what the torque spec is. So according to the repair manual, you are looking at 124 inch pounds. 124 inch pounds, or 14 Newton meters, but inch pounds. 124 inch pounds. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and double check. 3. Okay. Where are you going? Barnwood. Alright. Go ahead and connect your hose and tighten this up. Okay, it's tight. Plug her back in. That's it. Start her up and see how she runs. Warm it up. Check for leaks. Make sure everything's good. Clear your check engine light. But I'm gonna clean a few things before I do that, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm doing about 60 miles per hour on the highway here. And seems smooth, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna go to work. I drive about 120, 130 miles per day. So I'll do an update at the end of the week just to see if I feel anything different or anything changes. But so far so good. My camera moved. So far so good. 70 miles per hour freeway. Still good. So let's punch it to 80. See what happens. Pop the hood, check for leaks, make sure everything is sealed. Everything looks good. Alright, put about 20 miles in on the freeway and highway in the streets. Everything looks to be working fine. There's no leaks. Okay, now you can hear me. So yep, 20 miles in, no issues. So it is all good. We will see at the end of the week. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I didn't get a chance to make a video shortly after I recorded this clip here, but I did do about 2 oil changes, so about 20,000 miles later, and there is no check engine light. The truck runs a lot smoother, and it seems like everything is running as it should.